Hi guys, so today Saida is gonna demonstrate how to drive barefoot. Are you excited?
Yeah, really excited.
Okay, we can you show them your feet?
Yes.
So Saida has recently just got her driving license,
Yeah.
and now she wants to try something new. And the new thing is that she wants to try barefoot driving.
Yeah.
So, what your plan is to drive a bit forward and then reverse to
Yeah.
this car,
Black
that's
one.
black BMW. Let's see if I can get it. Everything. Oh yeah, you're doing it quite great.
Thank you. Actually, it's
Oh.
difficult.
Was it difficult?
No.
No, it's
No.
not, right?
No.
The only thing you, I think the only difference is that you have to, that your feet needs to go a bit higher up when you want to switch between brake and clutch, or brake and gas.
Yeah, brake and gas.
But otherwise it's same, right?
No.
Not a big difference.
No.
So you're doing it quite good. So that's something new you have tried. Yay! Applause for Saida. Great. Okay. Thanks. Bye.